Here we go!
Welcome to our math class. I am Jason R.N.D. You can call me Teacher Jason, and I will be your grade 8 Pulag advisor and of course your grade 8 math teacher for the school year 2020-2021. Okay, so today we're going to discuss about polynomials. This is for the asynchronous students who have not been taken our online class earlier. So this is the second chance for you to cope up with the discussion. So this is of course our learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to, number 1, illustrate the key concept of polynomials. Number 2, identify the degree of polynomials. And number 3, recognize monomials, binomial, and trinomials. Okay, so these are our learning targets. Of course, we have what we call the guide question. What are the different types of polynomials? Okay, so we will find out as we go through our lesson. Okay, now let's define what is a polynomial. Okay, when we say polynomial in mathematics, polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, coefficients, that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponents. Okay, so when we say polynomials, this is also what we call an expression, meaning there is an existence of a variable, a coefficient, and an exponent. Okay, that is what we call a polynomial. Now, this is what we call an example of polynomial. We have the given x squared minus 3x plus 6. Now, we are going to find the terms which consist of this expression. Like this one. X, the letter x, that is what we call a variable. Okay? Any letter in the given expression, that is what we call a variable. Okay, next. The 2 on the upper right corner of the given variable, that is what we call an exponent. Again, the number on the upper part of the given variable, that is what we call an exponent. Next, the 3 is what we call the coefficient. Okay? Number 3 is what we call the coefficient. Okay? Coefficient, it is the number found in the given expression together with the variable. Okay, next. Of course, on the given x squared minus 3x plus 6, the first term, which is x squared, there is 1 there, which is invisible. Okay? 1 is what we call also the coefficient of the given variable x squared. Next, 6. When we say 6, that is what we call the constant term, or constant, meaning whole number. There is no variable, only the whole number. That is what we call the constant. Next, we have what we call the different types of polynomials. First one is what we call the monomial. Okay, when we say monomial, it is a polynomial with just one term. Again, with just one term. That is what we call monomial. The examples of this are 3x, 4x, y. Okay, from the word itself, monomial, mono means one. Again, one. It only has one term. Okay, next, binomial. Okay, it is a polynomial with two terms. Again, binomial with two terms. Okay, the examples of this are x plus 10, 2x plus 5. Again, from the word itself, binomial, bino means two. Okay, meaning it has two terms. Next, we have what we call the trinomial. Okay, trinomial, it is a polynomial with three terms. Again, trinomial with 3 terms. Okay, the example of this is 3x plus 5y minus z. Again, from the word itself, trinomial, tri means 3. Okay, trinomial, it has 3 terms. Okay, so that is the different types of polynomials. We have the monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay? Now, let's go on with the standard form of the given polynomials. Okay, the standard form of a polynomial is written in descending order or degrees. Now, this time we're looking for the exponent, and that is what we call the degree of the given terms. Now, when we say descending orders, meaning if we look at the given exponent of the given expression, we need to arrange the given expression or the given polynomial in descending order. Starts from the higher exponent going to the lower. Okay? Again, from the upper going to the lower. Values of exponent. Okay? The examples of this are x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3. Okay? X cubed minus 5x squared plus 3. If we look on the exponent or in the exponent of the given expression, the first term is x cubed. Then the second term is 5x squared. So x cubed comes first because it has the higher value of the exponent. And next with the given value of exponent, which is 2. So that is in descending order. Okay? Next, x to the 4th plus 3x plus 6. The first term is x to the 4th, right? X to the 4th is the first term. Next is, the second term is 3x, which has an exponent of 1. Okay? 3x has an exponent of 1. Okay? So meaning 4 comes first. Third, x to the 5th plus x. Again, the first term has an exponent of 5. And the second term, which is x, has an exponent of 1. So 5 comes first, followed by x. So that is the standard form of polynomials. Again, the Q there is the exponent or the degree of the given polynomials. And of course, we need to arrange them. In order for us to write it on the standard form, we need to write this in descending order. Okay? So, next, the degree of polynomials. The degree of polynomials is the higher degree of its terms. Okay? So, same thing with the standard form. We are looking for the degree of the polynomial. Now, for us to better understand, so as you can see, we have here the table. The first column, we have the polynomial name. The second column, we have the degree of polynomial. The third is, of course, the examples. Okay, let's go first with constant. Okay, polynomial name constant or the constant term. Okay, the degree of polynomial is at 0 degree. Okay? 0 degree, meaning there is no variable exists on the given expression. The constant term, again, the constant term is only the whole number, a positive or a negative number. Okay? The examples of this are 9. 9 is a whole number, right? There is no variable. Next, negative 4. Okay? Negative 4, of course, there is no variable. Okay, that is what we call the constant term. Okay? The constant term found at the last term of the given expression. Okay, again, the last term of the given expression. Linear. The second polynomial name is linear. Okay? The degree of polynomial is at first degree. Okay? Linear at the first degree of polynomial. The examples of these are 9x and x plus 2. Okay? first degree because we are looking at the given variable. Okay? As you can see, 9x is a linear. And of course, a monomial, right? That is a monomial. 9x, if we look at the exponent of x, that is 1. Okay? That is the degree of polynomial. The exponent. We are looking for the exponent. That is the degree. Okay? 9x has 1 exponent. Same thing with the second, x plus 2. The exponent of x, which is invisible 1, that is a degree of polynomial at first degree. Okay? Third is what we call the quadratic. Okay, quadratic. The degree of polynomial in terms of quadratic, that is at a second degree. Okay, the examples of these are 9x squared minus 4 and x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay? See the difference between the polynomial name. Okay? The quadratic polynomial name or quadratic, meaning the exponent is 2. The exponent is 2. Quadratic, 2. Okay? 9x squared minus 4, 9x squared, the given expression has an exponent of 2. Same thing with the second. X squared plus 2x plus 1 has an exponent of 2, meaning quadratic, and the degree of polynomials is at second degree. Okay, fourth, the cubic. Okay, cubic, of course, that is in the third degree of polynomial. That is simple as this. 9x cubed minus 4. 9x cubed minus 4. The degree of polynomials is at third degree because the exponent is 3. Okay? Next, example. X cubed minus 3x squared plus 1. Okay? So again, we are looking for the degree of polynomials. And of course, the leading term. The leading term there, in the given expression, x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1, that the leading term is x cubed. Okay? We need to focus on the first term, x cubed. And the exponent is 3, meaning that is cubic. Right? You understand? Okay, so that is what we call the degree of polynomials. Okay? Again, we have the constant, meaning the whole number, a positive and negative. Next, a linear. A degree of polynomial is at first degree. The quadratic is at second degree of polynomial, meaning the given expression has 2 as an exponent. Then, the fourth one, which is the cubic, it is at third degree of polynomial, meaning the exponent of the given expression is 3. Okay? Okay, so going back to our guide question earlier, what are the different types of polynomials? Okay, so again, first one is monomial. Again, it is a monomial with one term. Okay, the second, binomial. When you say binomial, it is a polynomial with 2 terms. Third, trinomial is a polynomial with 3 terms. Okay, that is the different types of polynomial. Okay, so again, for your home delight, so this is our assignment. Okay, so again, I hope you learned a lot for our discussion for today. Okay, so again, thank you for listening. See you on our online class. Okay, so God bless us all and goodbye.
Here we go!